This is East Java, Indonesia. We are warmly received by our guide and driver in Malang City. From the moment we set off, the journey already feels special. The drive takes more than 2 hours, passing through local villages, winding roads, and lush green landscapes. Along the way, our guide shares stories about the region, and the friendliness of both the guide and driver makes the long journey feel easy and enjoyable.
And then the hole was in the middle.
We arrive at the Tumpak Sewu area and begin a short walk of about 20 minutes toward the viewpoint.
Yeah, so salad fruit, I'm testing this one. So the taste is very nice.
The sound of rushing water grows louder with every step, building anticipation. As we reach the viewpoint, the scene opens up in front of us, wide, dramatic, and breathtaking. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Now I'll show you how this waterfall truly looks from above. Now we begin our descent toward the base of the waterfall. The hike takes around 1 hour in total, going down and coming back up. The pathway is steep and narrow, and every step requires full attention. The ground is damp, the stairs are uneven, and the mist from the waterfall makes the trail slippery, so we move slowly and carefully. As we descend deeper, the sound of the waterfall grows louder and more powerful. Reaching the base feels like entering another world. Standing here, surrounded by towering walls of rock and endless streams of falling water, the effort instantly feels worth it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe this channel for more videos.